Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be drawing a quick sketch of a figure holding a cup, and that is like so. So we are showing it from this side, or I'll be drawing the right hand. So to begin, we will first put down an oval right here. An arc right there. Now, this is essentially the palm of the hand. And you have to imagine that the cup. I think it's better that if we actually make this a little more interesting by putting in a round object. So as you see that I'm going like that in circles, keeping the lines very light, and these are light for that matter. And then just imagining that you're grasping that object right around. This is the little finger right there, the other finger right there. From this angle, so we have the two fingers here. So essentially, if I'm showing this from this particular angle, this is how it will look. That is the forearm. Right around that line, I'm just putting down what will be the little finger. There's the knuckle again, and I move on to the bigger finger right there, and the ball, or in this case the circular object, will encase or cover the rest of the arm. Now we will also do another video that will show the harder angle where we will be showing the thumb. So you could just show a little bit of the flesh there. Imagine the thumb is on the other end like that, but we don't have to show that right now. We have shown this particular angle. How thin, how fleshy the hand is entirely about what you're modeling and what you're trying to Google. And so now we will imagine that this hand that is holding up the ball has a light source that is coming in from this particular direction, and according to that we will put in some very, very quick and very, very basic inks. If you want to get away with a quick pose in any of your illustrations where you have to show that the hand is holding an object that is round, for that matter it could be a square object in which the hand is resting, but the fingers, yes, they would be placed a little differently in that case. But right now, in this case, according to the object, this is how the fingers are placed. So there's a bit of the shade there. I'm just smudging it out after doing this quick cross hatch. So essentially we're not doing a fine art sort of thing, but we are just putting in some quick inks or shading to point out the areas that will have it the darkest. So part of the shade from the finger right there falling through, give it a little gap between that and this, so that even though not entirely realistic, it still looks good when translated on paper. sometimes areas of the skin are just engulfed. You have it. So I'm just smudging those out, all those cross hatching, those lines, and there we have it, a quick essential sketch of a hand holding a ball. Now there will be some shading on this end as well, this end of the ball. So now, depending if there's a little light source, you could leave this illuminated or leave this white, but this end will definitely have an additional shadow that I have chosen to just put in this way, and then a part of the shadow from the hand, from the finger, will also be put in, and the bottom of the ball will have a little bit of shadow there too. So there we have it, a quick essential exercise in sketching a hand holding a ball in that way, like on the palm. And you could add in as many details as you wish, like the lines that run along the side of the hand, and it'll be even more interesting to have the light or the shadow go through them or in between them, intertwining. Makes for a more strong illustration. So thank you very much for being with us. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. And till the next video and beyond, have yourself a wonderful day.